Hi everyone, today I'm going to help you out with how to turn off active online on Facebook. For that, launch your Facebook mobile application, then tap on the three horizontal lines or your profile icon in the top right hand corner. After that, tap on settings, and here in the settings you just have to simply scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the active status option. That will look something like this. Now if you are not able to find it, then you can even use the search bar in the top, and here you can search for active. Now once you type active in the search bar, it will show you the option of active status, so you just have to simply tap on it, and here we are in our setting. So the active status is turned on, so simply in order to turn it off, tap on this toggle button, and now it will ask you this type of question that would say you won't be able to see when your friends and your connections are active, recently active, or in a chat with you. So tap on the turn off option and you are done. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it does, then don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching.